Welcome to the Unit 4 lecture. I hope you're enjoying learning about the foundations of our nation. It truly is unique in its origins and approach to challenges. But before we embark on expeditions of the usual American history stuff of the Constitution and Founding Fathers, I want you to study the importance of state constitutions. In today's political landscape, with a focus on the national government, state constitutions are rarely given much attention. However, in the late 1700s, they were the documents that former colonists relied upon to guarantee their liberty. As we learned in previous units, the former colonies were quite separated in terms of administration and governance. While there had been some cooperation amongst them, they still looked to their local and state government for immediate protection and provision, which explains why the Articles of Confederation, which we'll address in next week's unit, created such a limited national government. The early Americans believed the state constitutions were their greatest hope to achieve the type of government they desired. The state constitutions provide a window into the minds of the founding Americans. They are an excellent primary source to learn how the various states and regions believed the government should relate to citizens. And when the delegates meet in Philadelphia to create a government for the nation, they will take their inspiration from these state constitutions. Consider some of the features. Most states, in fact all but 3, created a 2-house legislature with a governor and judiciary that offered some oversight, but minimal influence in the daily operations of the state. With recent uprisings and fear of lower class and slave revolt, the state constitution gave more power to those who owned land or were wealthy, which usually resulted in an electorate that had received a higher level of education. Also, the creators of the state constitutions realized that government cannot remain static and succeed, so they included amendment procedures to allow future adjustments to the state governments. These features would find their way to the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia and into the Constitution of 1787, as you'll see next week.